What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Superfarm, also known as Superverse, which has pumped up over 25% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just under 42 cents. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to pump. Can it potentially hit 50 cents over the coming days, weeks and so on? So essentially covering its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and also going into 2024, how high can this crypto go and is it worth investing into it for next year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator giving us the average value of Superfarm, which is here in purple at 20 cents. However, it is trading at more than double its average value in green here at nearly 42 cents, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So again, for those of you guys who are confused between Superfarm and Superverse, just a quick explanation. Superfarm has been rebranded to Superverse, so Superverse is its new name. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Superverse over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, it should essentially be trading over 44 cents, potentially just about hitting 45 cents in price is what I'm expecting from Superverse over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that doesn't mean that it's not going to take any hits or red candles or anything like that. Of course it will. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours. It has been overall moving towards a positive direction, but in between it has hit red candles, and that's what's likely to take place over the next 12 to 14 hours as well, but not as much as an increase that's happened over the last 12 hours. The increase is likely to be less, but hitting just about 45 cents in target is what my predictions are. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line still looking quite steep, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite bullish. However, it's not realistic because it is looking quite steep, and because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours, the graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction and so on. However, that is not the case. That's not what I'm expecting. In fact, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the start of next week, I am expecting Superfarm to have dropped back down to around 37 cents in target, so slightly lower than where it is at the moment. Personally, right now it is overvalued, meaning it is going to have to take a little of a hit towards the end of this week and early next week, potentially heading down to around 37 cents. But that does not mean that it's not going to pump up over the next couple of days. It's likely to head near or about 50 cents over the next few days before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 37 cents towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So once again, do expect it to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Yeah, this is looking way too steep guys. The blue and the orange line still looking bullish, going in a positive direction, however still looking very steep, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late January 2024, Superverse should essentially be trading below 20 cents is what I'm expecting. May come across as a shock to you guys, but it is the reality. It's the reality of cryptocurrency. The crypto is way overvalued right now. If we go into the CoinMarketCap website, over the last month it has done over 400% increase, which is absolutely insane. Yes, I understand the crypto market has been moving towards a positive direction over the last month, but for a crypto to do over 400%, it's not even in the last month. It all started about 3 weeks ago, guys. So about 3 weeks is done over 400%, which means that crypto is way overvalued. So it is likely to drop back down in value quite soon, potentially over the next couple of weeks, dropping down to 20 cents is what I'm expecting. But that does not mean that it's not going to pump up above 50-60 cents. It may do that, but the overall outcome by January February time is for it to drop back down below 20 cents in target, potentially even heading below 15 cents as well. But if you guys want regular updates on Superverse, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we did get quite close to the resistance target here of 54 cents, which we didn't quite hit, but I'm not expecting it to hit that at the moment. In fact, it is likely to drop back down into the lower part of the red zone over the coming weeks, as I mentioned earlier. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 36% in the last 24 hours, making it $97 million in trading. However, it is likely to go up over the next couple of hours as the value of Superverse is pumping right now, is going up. We are likely to see more and more people trading the crypto, investing into it, as well as selling the crypto. So talking about investing and selling, what is the best thing to do right now? Is it to buy it or is it to sell it? Personally, it is overvalued to buy it, and from my predictions you would have noticed that I wouldn't buy the crypto right now because I'm expecting it to drop back down under the 20 cents target over the coming week. So it makes no sense at all for me to buy it right now, especially if I'm in the long-term trade. I would rather wait for it to drop down in value. Even then, the maximum value I would buy this crypto for is nothing more than 8 cents is the absolute maximum I would invest into the crypto. Anything above that, I would avoid it. For those of you asking, I'm on a profit right now. Would I sell it? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. What I mean by that is, if I had $1,000 into Superverse right now, I would probably take out about 50% of it, so half of it, take half the profit out and keep the remaining into Superverse and hold on to it for the long term. So 2024, 25, 26, whenever it goes for a major increase in value, I'll take out another bit of it and keep the remaining, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into the crypto, which makes sense and works both ways. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Superverse, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Superverse to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And I'm expecting Superverse to hit the dollar mark by mid to end of next year. So in the second half of next year is when I'm expecting Superverse to be hitting the dollar mark, but not anytime soon. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot. That means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, and at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.